Hi, we are here at walk.4honline.com. This is where you need to be logged into your family profile in order to register for 4-H camp this year. So when you get here, you just continue to your family. This is for counselors in training or CITs. Scroll down on your family. Middle good is our middle-aged kid who would like to be a counselor in training. So we find middle good, select the event, Benton-Franklin 4-H camp. Then event information pops up. Here you can see the registration types. So CIT or counselor in training, 14 to 15 by June 1st, 2018. So we click register and go through our personal information. Health history is correct. Please have your CITs read through the behavior contract and acknowledgement of hazards and risks. That is here. And here we have the CIT application for committee review. Have your CIT fill out this information. There will be required trainings for CITs prior to camp, and we will be in touch to make sure that you know that you've been accepted as a counselor in training and that you need to be at those meetings. Don't worry about this, just go to checkout. And now you can see we're good to go. Middle good is registered for Benton-Franklin 4-H camp and it is pending.